And shortly thereafter, another engine also lost power. It was therefore necessary for the range safety officer to destroy the missile by remote control.
But imagine the worst possible situation for the astronaut, that his capsule is now mounted on top of this Atlas. The escape rocket takes the capsule away from the booster.
First few seconds of the shoot go without incident. The Centaur climbs to 30,000 feet, then malfunction. The immediate cause of the explosion is not known. But if it happened in the Atlas booster, it means a probable delay for the next U.S. orbital flight by astronaut Malcolm Carpenter. Long-lens cameras capture pieces of the wrecked missile falling into the sea, falling like a wounded bird. However, in the race for space, scientists find progress in every failure.
Allumage. Décollage. Tous les paramètres propulsifs sont normaux et la trajectoire est normale.
37 seconds into the launch, the onboard computers decided 501 was not.
That brings Cygnus on its third CRS mission to the ISS. Got main engines at 108%.
Avionics power nominal.
Off of the SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket, adding to the International Space Station access for future American rockets.
Stage 1 propellant utilization is active.
Speed 1 kilometer per second, downrange distance 13 kilometers.
Data coming back shows vehicle on course, on track.